In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export deals from HubSpot so you can analyze your data, share it with your team, or keep a backup. Start by logging into your HubSpot dashboard, then go to CRM and click on Deals. This is where all your deals are organized. Before exporting, make sure you're viewing the right deals by applying any filters you need, like Deal, Stage, or Owner. Next, look for the Options menu in the top right corner and click Export View. This will open the export settings where you can customize your file. From here, choose your file format, usually CSV, and give your export a clear name so it's easy to pehchan later. You can also select which properties to include, such as deal amount, close date, and owner, along with any associated contacts or companies. Take a moment to review your settings, then click Export. HubSpot will process your request and provide a download link or send the file to your email. And that's it. You've successfully exported your deals from HubSpot, making it easy to work with your data outside the platform.